Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla down $12.84, 5.64%, closed at 214.98. Post market seemed to be up by one buck. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we are officially outside of our bullish channel. This bullish channel is now officially over. Officially over, well, because this is a big red candle. This is a big move down. You can sometimes wait for two candles to indicate that the breakout happened. But in this case here, the move is pretty strong. Let's look at the 1-hour chart to understand how this happened. We opened a little bit lower here below 226.52, came down. Then we had a little bit of a move up during the FOMC meeting. And then after the FOMC meeting or during it, then the stock went pretty much straight down. So the Fed has increased the interest rates by 0.75%. And I was watching the comment and watching the stock market at the same time. And you could see that the Fed basically said that they will err on the side of increasing the interest rates too much than too little. They are really serious about it. We have lost stochastic a little bit yesterday. But now today on the 1-hour chart, everything is red as it should. On the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. So stochastic 34, stochastic over 60 is so good because we had this move up here without stochastic over 60. So this move up was not to be believed ultimately. It was close to be believed because we were coming up. And we broke outside of 229.77 yesterday, but this rule really works. And RSI is coming back down. DMI, where the red line indicate the bullishness in the stock, is increasing. Next stop for Tesla is 205.16. Let's see if we are holding that support. So we are still in this congestion zone. So we should be bouncing up and down here until Tesla wants to try again to break 229.77. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.